Welcome to the Hero Pipe Setup video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up the Hero Pipe system and show you how it can be done with only 2 people. Step 1. Securing the base. When securing the base, we recommend getting all of the components in place before setting the base onto the sill or edge of the floor. Here we're setting the stabilizers close to the area of deployment so that they are easily accessible when the base unit is secured into position. If you are securing the base to a windowsill, make sure the clamp is in the proper position with the clamp face flush. Then ratchet the clamp tight. Step 2. Stabilizing the base. When installing the hydraulic stabilizers, insert the lower section of the stabilizers, which are stored in the base, all the way to the structural floor and insert the push pin. Next, slide the red connector boot over top of the lower extension bar or slide it up from the bottom if working in a low ceiling environment prior to inserting the lower push pin. Then insert the main hydraulic extension into the red connector boot, raise the boot until it comes in contact with the structural ceiling, and then insert the push pin attached to the upper stabilizer into the red boot. Finally, you're going to pump the handle to pressurize the stabilizers until you hear the hissing sound of the relief valve, which means it's at max pressure. Step 3. Adjusting the length of the waterway and attaching the monitor. Before you install the waterway onto the base unit, determine the proper length that is required. Pull the push pins and extend the waterway to the required length. The waterway can be adjusted from 7 feet 9 inches to 15 feet with the monitor attached. Once the required length is reached, reinsert the push pins prior to attaching the Sidewinder EXM. Holding the waterway steady, line up the slots on the quick connect coupler and rotate the monitor until it locks into place. At this time, ensure that you connect the power cable. Step 4 and 5. Install the waterway and rotate it into position. Carry the waterway to the base unit with the team member placed on each side. Insert the waterway into the base. Ensure that the main waterway section is resting on the pivot wheel and roll it forward until the first set of black safety locks fall into place. Using momentum, push the waterway forward and up into position by rolling it on the pivot wheel until the second set of black safety locks fall into place. Make sure the T-bar support slides securely into the locking channels and then rotate the lock pins until they snap down into place. The hose from the standpipe system and the Hero Pipe battery can simultaneously be inserted and installed in the Hero Pipe system. The battery system has been designed with a quick connect plug for an easy drop-in connection. After connecting the hose from the standpipe, slowly open the valve until the waterway is fully charged. The waterway has a built-in pressure gauge to help control the pressure and flow at the base. Do not exceed the 100 psi maximum pressure rating when charging the waterway. Now let's watch a full setup from start to finish and identify the steps as we go. Step 1. Get components into position and secure the base. Step 2. Stabilize the base using the hydraulic stabilizers. Step 3. Adjust the length of the waterway, attach the monitor, and connect the power cable. Step 4. Install the Waterway into the track on the base unit, making sure the black safety locks fall into place. Step 5. Rotate the Waterway up into position using the pivot wheel until the second set of safety locks fall into place. Lock the T-bar support into place, install the battery, attach the hose, and charge the line. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed this demonstration on how to install the Hero Pipe System. You can find more information at www.elkartbrass.com. Thank you.